One of the plagues in our world today is finding oneself in a dilemma of trying to please everyone. Now, the worst thing is that some people don't even know they're caught in this dilemma. When they find themselves trying to please James, trying to please John, trying to please Mary, how will you know what decision is actually good for yourself? You find yourself running around with everybody's decision, but your own decision of how to love yourself, you don't even know what to do. Now, I've shared here 3 major dangers of not knowing how to love yourself. The first is you cannot make proper decisions. And that's the truth.
You can't
make proper decisions. When you find yourself trying to run with Esther's decision, James' decision, you do not know what decision you should make to move you towards achieving your purpose. And one of the greatest gifts you can give to yourself, one of the greatest proof of you loving yourself is when you walk towards your purpose every day. The second danger of not knowing how to love yourself is you find it hard to discover your purpose. You find it hard to discover your purpose because once you are going towards an idea, they said there's an idea being built inside of each and every one of us. But the truth is this: if you tell me about your idea, because I don't see it the way you do see it, I might discourage you from going towards that idea. And that's the same thing when you're looking at Esther to think for you, when you're looking at James to think for you. You actually might just give up on your purpose and you'll be running with James' purpose, Esther's purpose. Third danger is you will feel unfulfilled, insufficient. You feel like you're not enough. You feel like you're insignificant. Your ideas don't matter, and that is a lie. Now, how do you truly love yourself? Number 1, believe that you are not a worm. You are not insignificant, okay? You matter in this world. Your ideas matter in this world. The second thing you need to do is you have to have a good oil mindset. Alright? Inside of you, you have so much value. You have so much potential inside of you. So don't think that you are insignificant. No, that's a lie. That's a lie from the pit of hell. Okay? You have so much potential inside of you. The third is forgive yourself. Yes, you may have made so many mistakes in the past. That is true. But forgive yourself. Alright? Learn to forgive yourself and move forward. The fourth, which is very important, is refine your oil. Yes, there's potential inside of you, but you cannot carry crude oil and put it inside your car. No, you need to refine the oil. So, how do you refine this oil? You go for knowledge. And one of the best places to go for knowledge is at a weekly group and sit at their university. So go for knowledge, go for light. Alright, so I see you at the top as you learn to love yourself. Just follow these 4 beautiful steps, and I'm telling you the truth, you are going to love yourself. In fact, you find yourself loving yourself more than the way you've loved it before.